Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best rated ratchet straps in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Augo ratchet tie-down straps. These ratchet straps provide indestructible performance by the use of extra stitching and high-quality material use. They stand strong even against excessive motion and harsh wind. With the official working weight load limit of 733 pounds and the braking strength of 2,200 pounds, they boast to be even stronger. The better quality S-hooks are coated with rubber so that they do not damage the vehicle or the load by chipping off the paint or causing dents and marks. Also, these straps feature a safety lock for enhanced security. The ratcheting mechanisms are easy grip and enable excellent grasp, comfort, and control. Moreover, the one webbing is flexible and locks securely quickly. The spring-loaded black handles allow speedy and smooth release. The set also comes with 4 soft loop and 2 bungee cords and a storage bag as additional accessories. They are compatible with RV, trailer, work van, truck bed, car trunk, etc. Number 2. Our second best pick is Rhino USA ratchet tie-down straps. This is a family-operated brand which is dedicated to providing you with premium quality ratchet straps with the use of superior quality materials. These ratchet straps are made of polyester and silk webbing, which makes it more durable and of superior quality by the use of the strongest material. The anodized ratchet with the coated and fully bended S-hooks and ergonomically padded handles make this product a cut above the rest. The newer design of the end cap makes the loosening and tightening of ratchets comfortable and easy. The dual diamond stitching increases the maximum braking strength. This set comes with a string bag to secure the products in the set. It has a full money no reason refund policy. Number 3. Our third best pick is FORTEM ratchet straps. This ratchet strap set comes with 4 metal buckles with rubber-coated grips for heavy-duty S-hooks and 4 soft loop along with 4 1-inch ratchet straps. These are heavy-duty straps that help to attach any load to any trucks, SUVs, or cars. The rubber grip handle is ergonomic, which makes it easy to hold and use to safely secure the load. A simple and smooth release lever comes with the stainless steel rubber-coated handles to prevent the load from slipping. The S-hooks are also coated to be resistant to water. Above all, these straps are multifunctional and offer security and durability to transport and move several kinds of products. They are also compatible with all kinds of vehicles. An extra carrying bag is also provided with the pack, which is secured with a zipper. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sunferno ratchet straps. If you want to use ratchet straps for daily use and are worried that the durability will be compromised, then these ratchet straps are the perfect solution for you. More than 100K professionals have testified that they can hold a working load of 833 pounds. Contrary to most other ratchet straps, these feature closed S-hooks that secures the load and prevent the webbing from slipping or wobbling during transport. The webbing is better with the durable sewing patterns and protection against the UV rays. The ratchet handles and hooks are coated with rubber so that it protects the motorcycle and does not cause any damage or injuries. The closed hooks allow secure hauling. By the use of these straps, you can easily move a motorcycle by just following the instructions on the user manual. The instructions guide is a great help and proves that they are a good investment. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Vehiclex ratchet tie-down straps. These ratchet straps are premium quality products that have a width of 1 inch and are constructed of the durable polyester material with strengthened stitch pattern. It has a strong braking strength of 2,000 pounds. The heavy-duty mechanism is used to construct these straps with webbing and deep S-hooks that are water and UV resistant and are designed to last long. The release lever and ergonomic grip is made perfectly to attach and detach these straps more easily than the tie-down straps. On top of that, the spring-loaded release system makes sure that it is locked securely. The side strap is 10 inches long to move the metal part without damaging the vehicle or motorcycle. The S-hooks are coated with vinyl so that the webbing does not slip while transporting the goods. The extra carry bag can securely store all the products. This product is compatible with watercraft, UTV, motorcycle, and ATV. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.